this one, you'll be hearing bokoto, shaki, roundabout, cow skin, smoked fish, chicken. Hi foodies! Today we're diving into the flavorful and rich Nigerian food. Get ready as we explore the 12 most popular Nigerian soups. So now if you're a foodie like me or you're just curious about Nigerian culture, then this video is definitely for you. The first on our radar today is egusi soup. There is no Nigeria home you go to without hearing egusi soup. This soup is made with melon seed, packed with flavors and nutrients. Some people say there are kinds of way you cook egusi soup. The Ijebu say, oh, we have egusi Ijebu. People also say, oh, we have ways of cooking our own egusi. But all in all, egusi soup is egusi soup. By the time you pack those stockfish, crayfish, cow skin, or rishi inside, you will know that truly food is the 8 wonders of the world. And you can eat this egusi soup with any swallow of your choice. If you have not tried it before, please give it a try. I'll be expecting your feedback. The second soup is okra soup. Now this soup is known for its slimy taste, easy digestion. People that want to lose weight normally goes in lane of this okra soup because it is cheap and it goes well with eba and amala. The third on the list is ogbono soup. Ogbono soup is also known as draw soup, made from ogbono seed. You see this draw soup, it is healthy and easy to cook. In fact, cheap to cook as well. So if you are looking to test Nigerian cuisine or culture, please do not miss ogbono soup. You can eat it in varieties of swallow like semovita, wheat, and the rest. So give it a try. The next one is banga soup, originated from the Niger Delta region. You see, this soup is extracted from the palm fruit, and when you are cooking it, your enemies will be giving you kudos because the aroma can wake the dead. I'm telling you, and it is usually eaten with garri or starch. The combination is second to none. So guys, give it a try. The next one is afang soup. This soup is popular among the Efik and Ibibio people. You see, this soup is made with afang leaf and little water leaf. Oh my god, if you've not tasted afang soup before, please give it a try because it is rich and flavorful, especially when you're eating it with pounded yam. You will give God all the glory. And the next one is efo riro. Oh my god, you see this soup, it's very popular among the Yoruba. There is no Yoruba party or owambe that you go to that you will not be served efo. It is made with spinach leaf and rishi. You'll be hearing bokoto, shaki, roundabout, cow skin, smoked fish, chicken. See this soup, very flavorful and rich. You can eat it with any swallow of your choice. You can even eat it with white rice or white spaghetti. So if you have not tasted efo before, please taste it and come and give me feedback. Thank you. And we have ewedu. Ewedu is a very simple yet unique soup. It is often paired with gbegiri and amala. There is no Yoruba party you would go to that you will not be served ewedu, gbegiri, and amala. You see, by the time they put the amala like this in a bowl, and then now press it a bit, and then I put little gbegiri, and then I put the ewedu. Oh my god, you will realize that food is life. Next we have bitter leaf soup. It is called ofe onugbu as well, popular among the Igbo. Oh my god, this soup is not just medicinal, it is full with flavor and nutrients. So if you've not tried it before, this is the perfect time for you to try it and come and give me feedback. Next is white soup or onsala. The first time I tasted this soup was when I was in school. It is often made with fish and it is super healthy and delicious. So if you have not tasted white soup before, please give it a try and come and give me feedback. Thank you. Next is groundnut soup, made from roasted peanuts. The creamy texture of this soup makes it very tasty. It is really popular among the northern part of Nigeria. Yes, the first time I went to the north, I tasted it and it tasted so good, really nice. Yeah, you can eat it with any swallow of your choice. If you've not tasted groundnut soup, this is the time for you to taste it and give me a feedback. And we have oha soup, popular among the Igbos. This soup is made from fresh oha leaf. Oh my god, if you eat it with pounded yam or fufu, you will know that truly Nigerian food is packed with culture and flavor. The last on my list is pepper soup. Oh my god. There's no way you go to Nigeria that you not hear pepper soup, pepper soup, pepper soup. Soups that chases cold and fever away. We have kinds of pepper soup though. We have catfish pepper soup, assorted meat pepper soup, chicken pepper soup, goat meat pepper soup. Whichever way, pepper soup is pepper soup. Some people prefer to eat it alone, while some people prefer to eat it with chilled drink on a weekend. No, you imagine that now. And foodies, that will be all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Please do take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. I'll see you real soon. Till then, bye bye.